My name is Erin Feiger, and I'm a partner just like you who's been using the Microsoft Partner programs and tools for over a decade. Today, I'm going to cover the topic of getting your offer co-sell ready and potentially IP incentivized. Once your offer is live in the commercial marketplace, the next step is to decide if you'd like the support of the Microsoft Field Sales Organization to help you drive your solution to their customer base. If yes, then we need to submit your offer for co-sell ready status. Essentially, what you are doing by getting an offer co-sell ready is providing the Microsoft Field Sales Organization with the sales enablement content so they can understand how your offer aligns to the Microsoft solution areas and sales plays. They can download training materials to better understand how to position and help support your offer to their customers, and who to contact when they have a customer engagement that they would like to share. I put together a list of 5 things that you'll want to do ahead of time that will really help speed up getting your offer co-sell ready. First, meet with your Microsoft Partner Development Manager to discuss your offer and which sales plays it best aligns to. For OEM partners like yourself, you're going to really stay in the solution area of modern work and the sales plays around transition to the cloud, collaborative, hybrid meeting, modernized communication. Those are going to be the sales plays that are most applicable to the offers that you're listing in the marketplace. Next, you're going to want to get 2 pieces of content together. One is that one-pager that you used when you were listing your offer in the marketplace, and the second is a pitch deck. The third piece of document is optional. If you're trying to get your offer IP incentivized, then you'll also need to upload an architectural diagram that clearly identifies what part of your solution is running in Azure or can use Azure resources. If more than 50% of your solution is platformed in or uses Azure services, then Microsoft will grant you IP incentivized status. The last thing is talk internally with your team of folks that support your Microsoft relationship to identify who the right individuals are to receive the email notifications when Microsoft is sending you an inbound engagement requesting to connect on a particular customer for this solution. These individuals will receive that email notification and maybe even be responsible for going into Partner Center and accepting those inbound referrals. So once you have all of this information collected, then you're ready to go out to Partner Center and submit your offer for co-sell ready status. So let's go out to Partner Center and show you how to do that. Once logged into Partner Center using your corporate credentials, you want to make sure you're using the new interface called Workspaces. Your home screen should have a collection of tiles that represents the user roles and permissions that you have access to. For getting your offer co-sell ready, you need to have the user role of co-sell solution admin. If you have this user role, you'll see the referrals tile, and here under referrals, you will see under co-sell solutions. If you don't see solutions under co-sell, then that means you have not been granted the user role of co-sell solution admin, and you'll need to reach out to your Partner Center account admin to have them update your user permissions, granting you this particular role of co-sell solution admin. So I'm going to click on solutions. And here I'm going to see a list of all of my offers that are live in the marketplace, which ones I've already gotten co-sell ready, and which ones I can submit and decide that I want the Microsoft Field Sales Organization to help support us in driving the solution to their customer base. If you don't see your solution here, that means it's not live yet in the marketplace, and you're going to need to go back to your development team who's supporting getting that offer live to find out when that offer is going to be live in the marketplace so that you can come back in here and get it co-sell ready. So my solution I'm going to work on today is this testing 02. The first step I'm going to do is I'm going to identify inside of Microsoft's tools how to search and find our solution. So I'm going to say that this is an Office 365 solution area, that the solution type is a services type, and my solution area I'm focused on is modern work. And I can pick up to 5 sales plays to align this to. So I'm going to pick collaborative apps, hybrid meetings, and modernized communications. What you're doing here by selecting these listings filters is you're really helping make sure that when Microsoft sellers are in their tools and they're looking for partners that have Office 365 solutions around modern work and these specific sales plays, that your solution will show up in the search results in the tools that Microsoft sellers are using. So once you've selected all of the necessary pieces, then you can go ahead and hit save and move on to the next area. I'm going to go to documents and I'm going to upload those 2 documents that are required, the customer one-pager and the customer presentation deck. If I'm trying to get the offer IP incentive eligible, I will also upload that architectural diagram. These other areas are optional, but very, very helpful in giving Microsoft sellers more information to learn about the best use case scenarios, where you're selling, and the customer wins will only help them further understand your solution and if they have customers that would benefit from your solution. If you have a landing page on your website around this particular solution, you can also copy and paste that URL address here. Once all your documents are uploaded, go ahead and hit save, and we'll move on to the last piece, which is uploading your co-sell contacts. Here, Microsoft gives you a template that they want you to use, so you'll download this template, and then click on the Learn More about using this template so that you can see how to specifically fill out this template. In the roles, you'll want to pick Partner Sales. And then when it comes to identifying the countries and regions, the way that Microsoft has organized this is that when a Microsoft seller sends you an inbound opportunity for that customer, they're going to look at that customer and see what country it's in. And then based on your co-sell contacts and how you filled out this spreadsheet, they're going to send those individuals who've been identified for that country that inbound email notification. So if you are centralizing all of your communication to 1 or 2 people, then you would put 000 next to the country code for them. And that represents that they will get every email notification no matter no matter what country the customer is located. But let's say you have a team of people and you have 1 person in France and 1 person in Canada and 1 person in the United States, 1 person in the UK, then you can actually list each individual, and then in their country code, you would put US for the United States, FR for France, GB for United Kingdom, and CA for Canada. You can click on this link here to see all the country codes that Microsoft gives you so that you can route those customer opportunities to the correct people that are supporting the co-selling activity in that country for your organization. Once you've completed the co-sell contact spreadsheet, save it as a CSV file and import your contacts. Once all 3 of these areas are completed, you're ready to submit for review. So if you do your homework ahead of time and you get all of this information collected and ready to go, coming in here and just identifying your listing, uploading your documents, and uploading that .csv file should take you no time at all. I really hope you found this video to be helpful. I'm Erin Feiger, and thank you for joining me on this journey inside of Microsoft's Partner Center portal.